configuration, this distribute list is matching this prefix list in from R2, and that prefix list is coming inbound on fast Ethernet 00. So from R3's perspective, it's also anything that's not in this prefix list in from R2 is going to be denied. Like I said earlier, with the implicit deny all at the end of the prefix list, unless if otherwise permitted within the prefix list. So as you can see here, the only match we have on R3 is for the 20.0.0.0 network /24. So again, that is a simple configuration of a prefix list inbound. I'm sorry, that is a simple configuration of a distribute list inbound tied to a prefix list instead of an ACL. Now let's go to R1 and take a look at its routing table. As you can see, it's learning of the 20 network and the 30 network. So it's still receiving routes from router 2 and router 3 because there's no filtering going on router 1. So let's do this. Let's go ahead and configure. I'm going to show you one more thing with prefix lists that we can do with distribute lists here. And then we'll go ahead and wrap this up. And in this example, what we're going to do is we're going to advertise on router 2 and router 3, we're going to advertise the 9.9.9, I'm sorry, the 9.9.9.0 network /24 on both routers. And what we're going to do here is we're going to be filtering using the distribute list. We're going to be filtering the route from a specific source. In this case, we'll filter the route from router 3 from being put into router 1's routing table. Or actually, let's do this. Let's go into router 2. Let's go ahead and do this. So you guys can see this example. We'll go ahead and do the 9 network, 9.9.9.1 /24. We'll go under EIGRP 1. Do the network command for the 9.0.0.0. And router 2, I'm sorry, router 3 will do the same thing. Interface loopback 9. IP address is going to be 9.9.9.1 /24. Now we'll go under router EIGRP 1. We'll do the network 9.0.0.0. And we should be good. So now router 3 and router 2 should both be advertising the 9 network into its EIGRP process here. So router 1, if I do a show IP